Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be starting the series of Excel lessons, and each lesson will focus on delivery of knowledge which will help you to learn Excel easily. So let's get started. While you open Excel, you will have this greeting screen. Here you have an option to open your recent files, pin files, so it will be easy next time to open, and the files shared with you. You can also open any pre-made template. Let's click on New to open new workbook. Each empty workbook contains blank sheet by default, but as you work with it, the number of sheets might increase. On the right side of spreadsheet, you can see the two scroll bars. One aligned horizontally, another one vertically. That will help you to move around the sheet. Next, let's discuss about columns. In this case, we can choose column E, column H, and then choose any rows. In our case, we'll be choosing row 16, or for example 11. Now let's talk about cells. Each cell have a specific reference. It is intersection between the rows and columns. In our case, we select the cell G10. Next one will be tabs menu. Here you can navigate through tabs, like in that case page layout, formulas, data, and so on. Apart from tabs, there is a section under each tab which is called ribbons. And every ribbon have specific sections. Let's expand one of sections because not all of the menu items can be fit to one section. As you can see in here in the format cells, you can choose much more menu items rather than like on a ribbon itself. Our next option is a top menu, where you can customize it as you wish. In this case, I'll give you some of the examples of customization of that menu. You can add open or menu item down into the top menu. As you can see, we selected a cell and there is a reference which is given to the cell on the top bottom of the top menu, G10. You can also select a formula from that formula bar, and you can delete it or you can remember it. There's a formula bar, but you can insert the text into that formula bar, so the text will be outlined on the selected cell. We can click on the formula bar in order to open the formula pop-up window and select whatever formula we need for our Excel spreadsheet. We also have option to zoom in and zoom out from the spreadsheet. Let me to show you an example. So you can see how easy it is, isn't it? You can also change page views as well. Let's try one by one. Page break preview will be our first one. Page layout will be second one. And finally, it will be normal preview, which is mainly used by all the users. You can also create as many sheets as you want. In order to do that, you just need to come to the sheet and click on the plus button to add additional sheet into the work. So that's a quick lesson 1 on Excel. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Your support is awesome.